I know a lot of us are feeling helpless right now as we see there is another hurricane coming towards the Florida area. And if you are feeling helpless and that you wish you could help in some way, please do this meditation with me. Let's take a couple of minutes to send some peaceful, calming energies to the state of Florida. There is immense power in our intentions. In fact, our thoughts and emotions create our world. Let's step away from the fear-based energies and put all of our focus on what we want. If you prefer to do so, you may close your eyes. Now gently put your hand on your heart. Think of a moment in your life, a person, an animal, or a place that makes you feel immense love. Allow this feeling of love to fully engulf your heart. Allow this loving energy to expand out into your body, filling all the spaces of your being with love. Let's shift our energy now to Hurricane Milton and the places that may be affected by its power. Let's envision the entire state of Florida and surround it in a beautiful, healing, protective ball of light. We know that the state, its people, animals, and structures are all protected from whatever may come in the next few days. We see all structures withstanding any wind and rain that may arrive. We envision the people safely in their dwellings, relaxing with their animals and family, enjoying their time together. They are feeling calm and peaceful, knowing they are protected and safe. We see them rejoice with pure, exuberant joy as the storm passes by in the gentlest manner possible. They look outside to see their neighborhood unaffected and calm. Now, let's shift our attention to Hurricane Milton. We envision this hurricane in the middle of the ocean, off the coast of Florida. The closer it gets to land, the more power it loses. It's becoming weaker and weaker as it moves. As it approaches the coast of Florida, its severity weakens immensely and winds die down. Rain is light and unintruding. Trees sway in the wind and everything remains safe. The storm passes and all is calm and serene. Let's take a moment now to surround Hurricane Milton in the light of love. This beautiful light surrounds the eye of the hurricane and slowly expands out in all directions. Negativity and destruction cannot stand strong in the energy of love. The hurricane is weak in the presence of this love. Its entire essence becomes calmer and slower. It loses power with every inch it moves. When it approaches land and structures, it completely calms down. This loss of energy allows it to begin to completely dissipate, retrieving back into the sky and disappearing. We can take a moment now to thank Hurricane Milton for making its presence known and for leaving peacefully. Thank you for joining me in this healing meditation. You may return here at any time, any moment you feel helpless, powerless, or that you could do more to help. Your personal peace contributes to the energy of the world and makes a huge difference in helping raise the consciousness levels of humanity. This helps negate the evil that is around us. Thank you for being on the side of light and love. Namaste.